Hey guys, welcome to a video where today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some golden slime, which you just get the golden color from markers, so you don't need food coloring or any paint or anything like that. So what you will need is something mixed in. I'm using a bowl, and you need these two markers. You need yellow and purple. You will also be needing some clear glue. It must be clear because that's how you get better results. And something to mix with, I'm using a spatula. This is optional, but I'm going to be using some shampoo that is kind of pearly to make it look kind of metallic. And you will also be needing some slime activator. I'm using borax and water. And there will be a link down below on how I made this. So the first thing you want to do is just make the slime. So if you don't know how to make slime, you basically just put in the glue. And this is optional, but I'm adding in some shampoo. And then I'm adding in my slime activator. You want to add in your slime activator slowly because if you add it in all at once, it's going to get really hard and it's not going to be stretchy or fun to play with. So make sure you're adding it in slowly. And once you're done, just start grabbing it with your hands and knead it. It's going to be sticky at first, but later on, it shouldn't be sticky. So this is how my slime turned out. And it's okay if it's kind of hard at first because later on it's going to get stretchier. So what you want to do is get your yellow marker and you just kind of just want to dab it like how I'm doing right here and make your slime yellow. I would recommend you guys to use food coloring for this part, but for the sake of this video I'm using marker. But I really highly recommend you guys use yellow food coloring to dye it yellow. So once you're done, it should look like this. So next you just want to put in a little bit of purple. And you kind of just want to keep on adding it, like gradually, until you get the perfect like golden color. You don't want to end up with a brown because we're going for a golden color, not brown. So this is the color I got. It kind of looks brownish, but we're going to leave this out for like 5 days in an airtight container so the bubbles can rise to the top and they can become clear. But as you can see, it looks kind of golden already. You want to leave it out for 3 to 7 days. So I left this out for almost a month. It's been a little over 3 weeks and here it is in the container. And as you can see, it's cleared up and it looks so pretty, you guys. This is my new favorite slime. So it was a little bit sticky, but as you can see, it looks so pretty and metallic-y and golden. So for the rest of the video, I'm just going to be poking it. So enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace!